Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Volkswagen Golf for a little test drive. The car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. The electronic handbrake there, you might have noticed it released itself when I touched the biting point, so that's a really nice feature. But yeah, we do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, got through all 5 gears, so the clutch and gearbox are feeling really good. Brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. And let me tell you, the Volkswagen Golf, obviously an iconic car. This particular model has won many awards, and it's easy to know why when you drive one. The drive is superb, the technology is fantastic, just a really good all-round car. So yeah, specification wise on this particular model you get loads of things. So we've got this large colour touchscreen here with the Sat Nav on display at the moment. On there you've also got Bluetooth for both your mobile phone hands-free and for audio streaming. There's DAB radio, FM, AM, and I think there's a CD player in the glove box. Yeah, so also air conditioning, really nice leather multifunction steering wheel, parking sensors front and rear, and one of the best features I think is the adaptive cruise control. So that allows you at the touch of a button to set how close you want to get to the next car in front and your speed, and then the car accelerates and brakes for you. So fantastic for dual carriageway and motorway driving in particular. The car does loads of miles to the gallon. What's this been averaging? 55.5 miles to the gallon it's telling me it's been averaging, and that is over the last 32 hours. So yeah, superb fuel economy. I think road tax is 20-30 pounds, or not, maybe free, check the advert. But yeah, road tax doesn't cost a lot, insurance won't break the bank. Yeah, and I've not even talked about everything. Also automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. So yeah, specification wise fantastic, as a car itself amazing. So yeah, I hope that video's been useful for you. Thanks for watching, you take care, and bye for now.